My favorite tree. If I was to be asked what's your favorite tree, I have no doubt in answering, the enigmatic and ancient hawthorn tree, a deciduous tree native across Europe, and one of Britain's most ancient trees. I love everything about it, from the sinuous and sculptural shapes that it takes, through its various qualities and folklore, to the hypnotic beauty of the bonsai it can become. This wild, beautiful, gnarly and thorny little ancient tree is also known by many other names, such as whitethorn, higthorn, queen of the May, quickthorn, or just May, and can grow to a ripe old age. It is one of our oldest, most sacred, and beautiful trees. Often known as the fairy tree, the hawthorn has rich and varied folklore associated with it. Mostly growing in strange and hauntingly beautiful shapes, it can be found in the wildest and harshest spots. Hawthorn is probably the most perfect deciduous species for creating bonsai. I call it a four-season tree. In winter the tree is naked and the gnarly bark, brown-gray, knotted and fissured with slender twigs covered in thorns, is on show for all to see. With the coming of spring the fresh new leaves appear, and with good technique can be reduced in size. In late spring early summer, the blossoms appear. The flowers are highly scented, with 5 petals growing in flat-topped clusters, and are normally white, although there are rarer pink varieties. Over the summer, once pollinated by insects, the flowers develop into deep red berries known as haws. With the onset of autumn those tiny leaves turn a vibrant orange and yellow. You will have gathered that my favorite tree and favorite bonsai are one and the same, and they have been the bedrock of my personal collection.